Hey Peter, so today we're going to do a short video about your experience at the Charisma Clinic. So just a quick few questions. What was your initial concern about your teeth?
I actually broke a crown on the front and I couldn't have it replaced because it broken under the gum line.
Yeah.
So I had to get an implant, and I just looked on the internet and found this place, and it seemed to be quite a good reputation on the internet and everything, so I came along and...
Yeah, so how was your initial consultation?
Really good, yeah. It's explained everything really well, and all about the procedures and everything, and the time and everything, and it was really good.
Oh, that's nice to hear. And did we achieve the result that you wanted?
Yeah, better than what I thought.
Oh, that's nice.
Really nice, yeah, really good.
Okay, great. And would you recommend Charisma's services?
Yeah, all day long, yeah.
And if you can sum us up in 3 words, what would they be?
Fantastic.
Thank you so much, Peter. I really appreciate that.